Okay, this is my third time doing this. Welcome to another Southern Airs video. I'm Jett Force from McDowell, actual service, and I'm about to take a first class service on cross country from Bournemouth to Southampton. And then in 2 weeks' time, I'm going to pick up at Birmingham New Street and we're going to take a standard class service back to Bournemouth from Birmingham. So this vlog's kind of like a travel experience with cross country rail in 2024. Well, probably be 2025 by this goes out, but who knows? Yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy the vlog. Let's get filming. Heading to platform 3, I have to walk under this lovely subway, the Bournemouth train station, to get to my cross-country train. It should be just up here. Oh, perfect. And now we wait. I'm here on time. I'm just waiting for the cross-country to turn up, and then we'll get on board and we'll go on the review from there. I'm in a single seat that's just like airline facing. It's got a nice massive wooden tray table here. The seat is very plush and comfy.
And security information posted throughout the train. If you do see anything suspicious or witness any antisocial behaviour today, please report this to a member of the train crew. Alternatively, you can contact
legs on cross country, but it's only £10.70 to do this first class if you book in advance on the right days, and I thought this is really nice. It's better than what you get on South Western Rail based on my previous experience. So yeah, also I'm going to be giving my snacks, which is really cool, so I'm going to sit back, enjoy and relax. Good health. Ooh, nice and fresh. Very nice headrest. We got a retractable armrest here, and in the days where IFE was, well, in-train entertainment was probably available, we had these as well. I wonder if they still work. I forgot to mention on these cross-country trains they also have these little blinds you can pull up and down as well, so they come down all the way. Like I'm shutting it all the way, then you just simply push it back up. Journey across Dorset and Hampshire, but this journey only takes about 30 to 45 minutes normally, depending on delays and whatnot, so we are starting to come to the end of the journey. We'll be pulling into Southampton Central shortly. Kind of wish I'd stayed on as long as Southampton Airport Parkway, would have got a few more minutes, but hey, I actually really like taking the cross country when I can, because I think it's a lot better than South West Rail, and for the road, as they say. I'll be taking that with me. welcome to Southampton. I better get off. Well, I thought I'd do this next bit in front of the iconic Mayflower, and one of the claims to fame of this building is that Bon Scott of AC/DC played his final ever gig with the band here in January 1980, just weeks before his untimely death. The band played here because it was a rescheduled gig from the previous autumn, which was cancelled. Right, so cross country, not bad for a tenner, eh? £10.70 one way. We'd do that every now and then. I wouldn't do it on too regular a basis. I wouldn't mind doing cross country first class on a longer trip, but I just do not have the budget. But catch up with me in 2 weeks from now, there'll be a few seconds on the video, and we'll compare their standard class as we take a more traditional long distance route from Birmingham New Street back to Bournemouth. So I'll see you in a fortnight. Wolf. Hello and welcome to Birmingham New Street, and with Ozzy the Bull behind me, there he is, the handsome bugger. Let's go see what cross country's like in standard class on a more long distance journey. We're going from Birmingham back to Bournemouth. Just seen Alice Cooper at the Utility Arena in Birmingham. I've now got to go to the O2 in Boscombe to see Big Country. Plus I was doing that travel size smackdown, which you're going to see shortly, between Ryanair and Aer Lingus, but that's another story. Stay tuned. So this is one of the main entrances to Birmingham New Street. The reason I've come down here before we get my train is if we turn around, see this pub here? That's where Black Sabbath played their first ever gig back in 1968. So it's easy to find at least. Damn, that's a huge ball. Right, so I'm through to the main train section, right in front of this Avanti First Lounge. So it's going to be about half an hour before my train gets here. Yeah. Feeling good about this. It's on time, which is good, leaving from 2A. Now, if you are travelling first class, I don't know if cross country does lounges at Birmingham. They might contract out to Avanti West Coast, I don't know. But yeah, let's go see how it is on a slightly longer journey. All aboard. Very busy today on this one. Getting off hopefully on time. Stop 1, Birmingham International for the NEC in the airport. One of 2 airports on this run, funny enough. are slowly making our way out of the Midlands to south towards Reading. It's quite nice around here. I might have to give Leamington Spa a visit in the near future, you never know. I moved over to the other side because this side was a bit quieter, and also I won't be facing into the sun so much, so I thought the footage might come out a bit better. There is a snack cart on this bus. I'm going to go, not bus, train, I'm going to go find it in Coach C in a few minutes. And then, well, as a great philosopher once said, Barista, view thy meal. Coming to the end of Coach B, and first class is just through there. Very nice looking coach. I paid £41 for this cross-country fare from Birmingham to Bournemouth. You can get it a little cheaper sometimes off peak if you book in advance. Obviously height of summer is probably going to be a lot more expensive. The view's been pretty good. It seems to be quieting off a bit, although I don't know if it's going to get a bit busy as we head towards Reading. I'm going to head back to my seat, so I'll catch you in a few minutes. So I got like a meal for £6. See what £6 gets you on this train. Now, sausage roll, Maltesers, this, and already this is better value than the Red Funnel ferries from last year. What can I say? I know half the signs obscure, but we are here in Oxford. About halfway through the journey in terms of, like, you know, the journey, but in terms of stops, this is the last one before we get to the south. So we got Reading next, Basingstoke, Winchester, Southampton Airport, Southampton itself, and then Bournemouth, where the service terminates, and I need to get off because that's where I live. Well, it's been a pretty smooth and pretty nice journey. I've actually quite enjoyed it. Weather's been really good today, you know, throughout England, which is very rare for October. Right, I'll catch up with you as we leave. Stopped at Reading. East Berkshire feels like a bit of a homecoming, considering that I grew up and lived in Burnham my entire life. The only major difference is that the line to Paddington is now done by the Elizabeth line. It's not done by GWR anymore, but this is still a massive hub and depot for them. Never did come to Reading that much when I was growing up. I mainly stuck around Burnham, Windsor, Maidenhead kind of area, and I went to West London a lot more. But yeah, it's nice to be back to a degree, even though I'm not actually getting off here. So we've got Basingstoke, the 2 Southampton stops, Winchester, and then it's Bournemouth. We're just over halfway through the journey in terms of like time, so we're making up some very good time. Basingstoke. We are slowly getting back to home territory. I've just seen my first Southwest Rail train of the entire train journey. Yeah, so we are closing in on the south. We just got to get through Winchester, the two Southamptons, and then it's Bournemouth. About 15 minutes out from Winchester, so not long at all. So far it's been a very cosy ride. Seats are comfy enough for this particular journey, and I've seen some brilliant views up the massive windows, as I've shared some of that with you. Okay, we're at Winchester. We've got a train next to me, Southwest Rail 1. We're just about to head off for the last stretch down to the two Southampton stations and then Bournemouth. This train has suddenly got very busy again, kind of like when I was at Birmingham, but when we left Birmingham it got quiet after Coventry, Wolverhampton. So I think this one's going to be busy up to Southampton Central, and then Southampton could be either way. Oh, we're on the move now. Away we go. There we go. Winchester. Been through here a few times, haven't I? Although mainly when I come through here, I'm on the coach. Nice. Right, onwards. Southampton Airport Parkway, the second of two airport stations on this service. In fact, at this station you're 99 steps from the airport terminal. In fact, this is the train station. If I turn around slightly, terminal building's right over there. 99 steps. Can't get any more efficient than that, can you? Stretch straight to Bournemouth. It was a bit weird that I'm going in the other direction, that I don't actually need to get off here at Southampton Central for once. Basically, I do the reverse of what I did first class a few weeks ago at the start of the video. Right, onward to Bournemouth, I guess. We'll be in Bournemouth very shortly. It's been a great ride. Really enjoyed this. I think I should probably do this again in the near future. Take cross country on a slightly longer journey. I have said about going back to Reading in the future, so who knows? Who knows? Ooh, it's nice to be back in home territory. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Bournemouth. Right, I suppose they get a move. They get a move on. All right, thank you, cross country. Absolutely brilliant on-time arrival there. I'm in Boscombe. There's Chaplin's. I'm going to go in for a drink and then head over to the O2 to see Big Country tonight. You've been watching The Southerners. Tyler Jett Force, Actual Service. Took me 2 weeks to film that. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.